How the tables have turned in Jharkhand. He was the chief minister until a few months ago, and that was Champai Soren. Champai Soren is set to join the Bharatiya Janata Party on 30th of August. Himanta Biswa Sarma has confirmed that Champai Soren is joining the BJP. Remember when Hemant Soren was taken in custody over a land scam charges? Then it was Champai Soren who had become the chief minister. But it was a certain rebellion he's facing. That he's accused party leadership of insulting him, humiliating him. And that is why he said, I will announce the next political course of action. Piyush Mishra is joining me for the latest on that. Piyush, it's a reminder again this morning that anything can happen when it comes to politics here in the country. But also, I'm wondering if it's going to be just Champai Soren, or could he bring some more people with it? And looks like Himanta Biswa Sarma has been the mediator here.
Well, certainly, Pooja, what we are hearing is that not only Champai Soren, but there are few more jilted MLAs of JMM who are likely to join the BJP. And remember that this confirmation was given by Himanta Biswa Sarma late night when he had put out a post on X where he had claimed that Champai Soren is going to join the BJP on August 30. Remember that a photo was also shared of meeting with him, Home Minister Amit Shah. So that's a big confirmation coming in. In the last few days, we were also seeing as to how Champai Soren was making rounds to Delhi. Last time when he had come, he had stayed in Delhi for 2 days. This time also when he came, when we spoke to him, he said that he is not going to join BJP or not meeting any BJP leaders. But now confirmation has come in that yes, he is going to join. And this joining is all set to take place on August 30. Remember that last time when he had come to Delhi, he had put out a long post against Hemant Soren, against the party leadership of Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, where he had claimed that he was humiliated and was removed from the post of chief minister. And had he been given more opportunities, he would have done much better for the state. So after that post, there was speculation that he would join BJP, but he, in that particular post, he also mentioned that either he will join any political party or will launch his own political outfit or will retire from the politics. But now,
so from JMM to the BJP by the end of this week, Piyush, very interesting. Remember, what was one possibly unthinkable has also happened. That only means that doors are always open for certain parties and for certain netas. Piyush, stay on with me. So while we wait for the official joining,